What's up, y'all? It's launch day. Launching the bricks today. Y'all be seeing this video tomorrow. I've totally lost my voice. I don't know why. But we're going to head to Starbucks. I'm going to get my last cup of coffee before phasing out the dairy completely on Monday.
I'll take that.
There you go.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Great day.
Take care. I said, no, bro. I want my full fat. That's why I put butter in my coffee. What you think about? What's up, everybody? I still can't talk. I can't talk. It's bad. We just did the launch. It's kind of like crazy madhouse because I had to get the 7 Set Sunday newsletter out before I did the launch because the 7 Set Sunday newsletter talked about the launch, but I was looking for content to put in the 7 Set Sunday newsletter, which was the vlog that I was supposed to have edited already. So I edited the vlog, published that, published the newsletter, published the Keto Brick launch, and updated the inventory all within like a 5-minute window. But we're launched now. It's live. They're selling as we speak. So I'm super excited about that. We got the crew out there pre-packaging a bunch of them because I haven't started printing off the shipping labels yet. So excited about that. If we get everything packaged today, we might do our like big powwow shindig cookout tonight. If not, we'll finish packaging them tomorrow and do the cookout then. Not really sure yet, but I hear the beeper going off for my salmon. Ooh, the steam. There's my salmon in there, y'all. So tasty. Boom. Salmon fillets drenched in pink salt and olive oil. What you eating there, baby?
Eggs.
Eggs. Eggs and walnuts or pecans? Those
Walnuts.
How's the packaging going out there?
It's going really good. We're doing a really good job getting them out real quick.
Got some shipping labels here. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
It is surprisingly warm and sunny today. It's like end of October, nice and toasty out here. Headed to Lowe's right now. I gotta get some packaging tape. Those 2-week boxes that we ship out. There's adhesive on it already, but they don't really stick together that well, so we have to go back and tape them on, in case you're wondering. So that's what I'm gonna get right now. There you go, baby.
You are wonderful.
Look at all these lazy people standing around.
Waiting on tape.
Waiting on tape.
Waiting on tape. We got tape. What's up, everybody? We're packaging bricks, getting a head start. We're shipping them out tomorrow. Courtney, you're gonna be getting your bricks tomorrow along with everybody else. Or not, you won't be getting them tomorrow. We'll be shipping them out tomorrow. Thank you all who got an order. We can't do this without you. We appreciate it. If you can understand any of my raspy voice, know that I love you. We'll talk soon. What's up, everybody? I am making a meal right now. I've got the secret to getting down a bunch of sausage. I'm using that Peterson Farms sausage. Can you throw me one of those links, babe? Alright. So the Kielbasa, Peterson Kielbasa sausages, I got like 7 of them for free at Whole Foods. I showed you that in the other vlog. 15 grams of fat, 1 gram of carb, 8 grams of protein per serving. There's 8 servings per link. I'm doing like 1 whole link a day. So I'm just heating that up on a plate and I'm dipping it in Primal Kitchen unsweetened ketchup and or horseradish mustard. And I don't know what it is, but the combination of these two things with the sausage, it just is really easy to get down, even though I'm eating so much food. So it's kind of like my little caloric surplus hack for the day. We're gonna talk a little bit about, I don't really know what we're talking about. Crystal, what are you gonna eat?
I don't know.
We don't know. We're kind of like just in a weird state right now. It's been a long day. Neither of us got any sleep. So I'll update you on all of that in just a second. But I'm gonna eat first while this stuff is still hot. Boom. Alright, y'all. So, to conclude the day, neither Crystal and I have gotten any sleep hardly. For whatever reason, we could not fall asleep last night. She kept still in the covers. We got 4 hours of sleep, literally 4 hours of sleep. Anyways, today's been a great day. We had the brick launch today. Sold more than we've ever sold before. We sold 10,000 bricks. And we set it up a little bit differently. We set it up so that we had a lot more of the 2-week supply, because they tend to go the slowest, but they're really good for people that are overseas. So they've lasted a lot longer than all the others. I think there's actually still like 20 or so in stock still. So hopefully the people in the different time zones overseas will be able to jump on those and have the opportunity to get the bricks. I want everybody that wants bricks to be able to get bricks, because one thing we've not been able to do lately is have enough supply to meet demand. So we're trying to just ramp up production so that that's no longer an issue. Yeah, but it was a good day. We did a lot of packaging, a lot of labeling. We got the new crew acclimated to that. Tomorrow we're going to do our launch day cookout. We were going to do it today, but there's a bunch of people that couldn't make it today. So we're just going to do like the launch day cookout tomorrow. So we're going to ship them all and cook out in celebration of the launch tomorrow. So look forward to that for sure. Also, with regard to the new flavor, next month we're going to do a cinnamon brick, cinnamon dolce brick, some kind of cinnamon. We haven't figured out the exact flavor name.
Next month, meaning November.
Yeah, November. And what do y'all think? Do y'all want to do just cinnamon the whole month of November, or do you want to do like half? You want to do like 2 launches, one mid-month, and do like all cinnamon then, and then all original mocha the next? I don't know. We're open to suggestions, so let us know what you think. But I would prefer to have it all of one and then all of the other, as opposed to mixed up in the order, because it's just much easier to package in and less room for air.
I think it'd be really fun to have the cinnamon, do like a smaller launch of the cinnamon earlier in the month, because it is that time of the year. Thanksgiving, Halloween, fall, awesome time of the year. And then I think the latter half would be awesome for the mocha.
Yeah, it's kind of what I'm leaning
heading
towards
into
too.
like more of like the wintry time.
So mid-month all cinnamon is kind of what we're leaning towards right now. We'll let you know for sure though. But it tastes pretty good. I honestly like the cinnamon ones more. It's kind of like a pumpkin spice cinnamon. There's no nutmeg or anything in it, but that's what I taste. So pretty good for Thanksgiving. But yeah, I know y'all get tired. Still don't have my voice, so I'm sorry there. I know y'all get tired of hearing me say I'm sorry or all that stuff, but thank you. I'm sorry this vlog's short, but thank you for today. Crystal and I, like we say this all the time to you, I'm probably getting tired of hearing this, but nothing that we do is possible without you. It's like the bricks selling out. I mean, that's all y'all. That's all y'all. So thank you. So we're going to try and shoot some arrows, work on our marksmanship, start the day fresh tomorrow with hopefully more than 4 hours of sleep. And yeah, it's going to be a good day. We'll see you then.